Let's learn how to create the Gibson Hazard Zoom Transition in Premiere Pro. First, make sure all your clips on the timeline are trimmed to exactly 3 frames each. To do this, move the playhead to the start of a clip, press the right arrow key 3 times, and then trim the clip to that point. Repeat this for all clips and position them side by side. Next, go to the Effects panel, search for Transform, and drag it onto your first clip. Now, go to the Effect Controls panel, scroll down to the Transform section, and click the stopwatch next to Scale to activate animation. Move the playhead to the end of the clip and change the scale value to 200 to create a zoom effect. Uncheck Use Composition Shutter Angle, and set the shutter angle value to 360 to add motion blur for a smoother transition. To apply this zoom to the rest of the clips, right-click the Transform effect, choose Copy, then go to each of the remaining clips, right-click in their effect controls, and choose Paste. That's it. Let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like next.